Hello students, today we are going to start with our chapter Energy. First of all, covering definition of energy. What is energy? Energy is the capacity of a body to do work. In other words, we can say that a body that is capable of doing work is said to possess energy. So what is energy? It is the capacity of a body to do work. We all know that all of us need energy to do work, to grow and to sustain life. Why do we need energy? We need energy to do work, to grow and to sustain life. We all know that a body is only capable of doing work when it possesses certain amount of energy. Like you can walk, you can run and you can do other works when your body possesses energy. Without energy, it is not possible to do any work. It is not only needed for doing work, but it is needed to grow and to sustain life also. Now we are going to discuss about units of energy. Heat energy is measured in terms of calories, which is represented by CAL, starting with small c. Now what is a calorie? A calorie is defined as the amount of heat energy which is required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. So what is a calorie? A calorie is defined as the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Since a calorie is a small unit, that is why in place of calorie, kilocalorie is used to measure heat for practical purposes. So in place of calorie, which is a small unit, for practical purposes, kilocalorie this unit is used. It is written as KCAL, that is kilocalorie, K and C in small letters, or it is written as CAL representing calorie with this capital C. 1 calorie with capital C, it is equal to 1 kilocalorie. It is CAL and it is KCAL, and these are equal to 1000 calories. C will be small. Now covering SI unit of energy. The SI unit of energy is joule. It is represented by capital J. Now how you are going to define a joule? A joule is defined as the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton causes a displacement of 1 meter in a particular body in the direction of the applied force. Suppose this is an object, a body, and a force of 1 Newton is applied to cause the displacement of this body in the direction of applied force by 1 meter. Then the work done here is considered as 1 joule. So as you can see in this diagram, initially the body is present here, and then a force of 1 Newton is applied to cause its displacement by 1 meter. So when the body to which 1 Newton force is applied results into displacement of 1 meter, now the object is present here. After 1 meter displacement, the object's new site is this. So at this time, whatever be the work done is equal to 1 joule. Since joule is a small unit, so mostly in place of joule, its bigger unit, that is kilojoule, is used. It is represented by small k and capital J, that is kilojoule. 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joules. Now developing relationship between calorie, which is with small c, calorie, and joule, which is represented by capital J. It has been found that the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is 4.186 joules. So to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius, the amount of energy required in terms of joule is 4.186 joules. So we can say that 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. So 1 calorie will be equal to 4.186 joules, or we can say that 1 cal is equal to 4.186 J, which is symbol for joule. In terms of kilocalorie, 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4186 joules. That is 1 capital CAL, that is kilocalorie, or you can write it as 1 small k CAL small c, that is equal to 4186 joules. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.